Go. All by yourself. Okay. All right. Oh. Oh, it's got blood. I don't know how it's gonna live. But let me see this one.
You don't think it's gonna live?
I hope so, but this one's dead. Look, it dried up. It didn't even get out.
Oh.
Yeah, it's gonna have to let it work itself out.
And it needs that shell.
Yeah. Oh. And this one.
Yeah, so this one dried out. We lost that one. This would be, maybe makes 9.
Mm-hmm.
And this would have been 10. And now she's working on this one.
It's too hot, and once it starts peeking out and they don't come out
quickly,
it dries out.
Oh, there you go, sweetie. Keep breathing. Oh yeah, that one's moving too, yeah?
Mm-hmm. Once it pops out, the air dries the sac already.
Yeah.
And it doesn't give it time to leak out naturally. See, this thing's dried. Oh.
She's got to uncurl there.
Yeah, she's got to do it by herself.
Yeah.
She's out, so it's something that nature's got to take its course with that one.
You're doing good, hon. You're doing somersaults there.
Okay, get wet towel.
Here's a towel right here. There you go. Come on, baby. I hope you can make it, sweetie.
Once this dries on their skin, they can't come out.
Yeah, just it'll be painful, huh?
Yeah, they're stuck. They'll just suffocate. Okay, baby, can you come out now by yourself? No? No? Come on. Come on. No, not yet.
There's a good leg coming out, yeah. She looks strong, though, coming out.
Yeah. Come on. You got this.
Maybe she hears her sister, so she's getting excited.
I forgot, where's her beak? Oh, she's right there. Okay, come on. Come on, you can do this. Okay. Okay.
Good job, hon. I'm going to scoot them back just a tad in case they roll.
Rolls. Okay. Alright. Yeah. No, but spongy stuff. So now, oh, this one too. So this one's peeping out. And this is dried already. Oh no.
Give it a shot.
Oh.
Look at the baby maker, May, what she can do to an egg and saving chickens, little babes.
Let's see what this one is.
You're kicking there, sweetheart. Now she's on her third one. If it's going to be possible or not, I don't even know.
This one's dry.
This one's dried.
No.
See, this one dried and eventually just died. She's going to see what she can do here.
Oh, we can hear this little guy. This little guy looks like it's alive.
Come on, all three of you. Let's see if you can make it happen. And just a reminder that our Blondie, which is a red, has been basically brooding for 8 already, and she had kind of pushed these ones away, and May had noticed that there was a hole in them, which means they started pecking to come out, but they couldn't come out fast enough. So she went ahead and just picked them up and taken the shells off herself here. And those ones are still breathing and chirping. This one's going to be the tough one.
This one's to come. Spring. It's not so hot. The weather is just not conducive to.
Yeah, basically it's 100 degrees outside in the sun. Ours sit in the shade, but still it's hot.
I just took out some feather.
Come on, here are your brothers and sisters. Here are your brothers and sisters here.
This one's super strong.
Oh, baby, let's hear you make some noise, though. Let's hear you make some noise. Well, listen, we don't do this very often, but May is so good at this and being patient.
I don't know about these two. These two she pushed out, so I don't know.
Look at that one. Ooh, that one's moving good. I think you just caught it right in time, hon.
Yeah. Oh, look at this poor one. It's dried up. Oh. Nope. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
I told you.
Gosh.
I told you.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
It shouldn't be a surprise.
What is this? Fly.
So they're all still breathing. They're starting to move. Well done, hon.
Oh.
All right, so we'll catch you. We'll see. Let you know the update. I'm just going to give you a quick 9-10 minutes of Mama May here.
Wow.
Taking them out of their shell. You did a wonderful job, hon. Wow. Wow. So if we have since we have the 8, if these 3 make it, we'll have the new 11. So.
Oh, she's strong.
Okay.
Okay.
If you want more of this, just click and send a message saying, hey, you want to see more of the video. as this one is, one's probably looking for her shell. She's looking for her shell, honey. This one, she's got her head pretty strong now because she's like lifting it up.
Yep. This one is probably the strongest one.
Yeah.
These two,
Probably more blood than...
more, these two dried up. Probably suffocating.
Okay. All right, we'll come back at you.
Oh.